everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're reviewing MovieReel AI, a Gen AI technology that claims to create Hollywood-level AI videos and movies using simple text prompts in minutes. But does it deliver what it promises? Let's check. MovieReel AI boasts to do what it is capable of doing because of the amazing features it has. White label and commercial rights for branding and reselling opportunities. AI-powered movie creation that transforms text into engaging short films. Customizable templates and effects for scenes, characters, and transitions. Multilingual voiceovers and subtitles to reach a global audience. Built-in stock media library with images, music, and animations. And the best part, you can access these features in 4 simple steps. Take a look. MovieReel setup is as smooth as cakewalk even for beginners. Just 4 simple steps and you're done with the setup. The first step is to enter your script or storyline and let AI understand and convert the same into scenes. In the second step, set the visual tone of your project by choosing your style from multiple options such as modern, corporate, and more. The third step is to customize your scene elements, characters, camera angles, and lighting. Everything can be done with a simple touch, no complex software. Step 4, all about exporting your clips and movies and making profits by streaming them online. Pricing, $67 one-time payment. And you have a 14-day money-back guarantee. If it doesn't meet your expectations, you can request a full refund. No questions asked. So, is MovieReel AI worth investing in? Sure, if you are passionate about making videos and films and would love to have a tool that turns everything on automation for you, including the monetization, then MovieReel AI is the tool for you. Hurry, because the launch period might end soon and the prices touch an all-time high. Find the link in the description to buy the product.